Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious brownies. This brownie recipe is from the Hummingbird Bakery cookbook. It only has 5 ingredients but makes the best brownies I have ever tasted. So first, put a small saucepan filled with 1 inch of water on the stove on low to medium heat and put a heat-proof bowl on top. It is important that the water doesn't touch the bottom of the bowl. Next, add your butter into the bowl and let this melt. Break your dark chocolate into small pieces, or you can chop it with a knife if you prefer, and add that to the bowl. Even if you don't normally like dark chocolate, you will love it in this recipe. It is perfectly balanced out by all the sugar we will be adding in later. Your final brownie will taste sweet. Stir the butter and chocolate mixture occasionally and slowly until completely melted, and then remove from the heat. Next, add in the caster sugar. At first I started putting it in spoon by spoon, but then became impatient, so I just poured in what looks like a small mountain of sugar. Mix the sugar into the butter and chocolate. Next, add the flour. And keep mixing this in until you can't see any white bits of flour left. Now crack 3 eggs into a bowl. If you get any bits of shell falling into the bowl, then you can always use the eggshell to take them out. Whisk the eggs together with a fork and then add to the bowl. Mix everything together and you should end up with a bowl full of glossy looking brownie mixture. Pour this mixture into an oven-proof dish lined with baking paper. The one I am using measures 26 centimeters by 21 centimeters. You may need to increase or decrease the cooking time if your oven dish is bigger or smaller. Now bake this in the oven at 170 degrees for 30 minutes. Now leave these in the tray until cool. Once your brownies have cooled, take them out and cut into slices. I like cutting the crusts off first, some of which could be a quick snack for the chef whilst cutting the rest of the brownies. Since making these years ago, on the few occasions I have paid for a brownie since, I have always ended up disappointed. The taste of other brownies has never even come close to these. To serve, I am just going to dust over a little icing sugar and add some raspberries. Now all there is left to do is to tuck into your decadent, gooey, fudgy, tasty brownies and enjoy.